Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Approach Z30. First, let's get it powered on and ready. You will find the power button conveniently located on the side of your device. Simply press and hold it for about 2 seconds until the screen illuminates. A quick check of the battery icon will confirm you have ample charge for your entire round, ensuring uninterrupted play. Remember, a fully charged device provides the most accurate and reliable experience on the course. Now, let's measure your shot with precision. Hold the device steady, bring it to your eye, and align the crosshairs with your intended target, whether it is a bunker, a tree, or the flag itself. Press the ranging button only once to instantly display the distance right in your view. The intelligent flag finder technology helps you lock onto the pin, even if there are trees or other objects behind it, giving you confidence in your club selection every time. Understanding the course layout is vital for strategic play. The green view feature shows you the precise shape of the green, allowing you to visualize your approach shot with clarity. You can also pan across the digital course map to identify all critical hazards, such as water bodies or sand bunkers, before you even take your swing. This comprehensive view, along with precise distances to the front, middle, and back of the green, empowers you to make smarter decisions for every shot. Beyond basic ranging, the Approach Z30 offers advanced features like plays like distance, which adjusts yardage for uphill or downhill slopes, giving you a true playing distance. To maintain its accuracy and longevity, always wipe the lens gently with a clean microfiber cloth after each use, removing any dust or smudges. When you finish your round, store your device in its protective carrying case. This simple care routine ensures your rangefinder remains a reliable tool for many rounds to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.